everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you air fryer recipe, and it's going to be a vegetarian recipe. I'll be making creamy paneer tikka in air fryer, or we can call it creamy paneer kebab or kabob. Paneer, onion, bell pepper, orange, green, yellow, red, then mushroom. To make it creamy, I will be using heavy whipping cream, then spices from masala dabba. The next step will be I cut up the paneer, onion, all the bell pepper, we call it capsicum or shimla mirch, and mushroom into small 1-inch cube size pieces. Mushroom, capsicum, bell pepper and paneer, onion cut into about 1-inch size. As for paneer, about this size. This will be a perfect. So now we're going to prepare the marination. I'll get a mixing bowl, add spices. Half teaspoon salt, red chili flake, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, Kashmiri mirt, 1 teaspoon, black pepper. You can add more or less if you like hot, add 1/4 teaspoon. Once all the spices are added, add whipping cream. Mix it well. Once all the spices are nicely combined with the whipping cream, bring paneer. With the help of fork, make sure that they are nicely coated. So once it's nicely coated, I'll bring all the vegetables. Bell pepper, onion and mushroom. Mix it well. Make sure that it's nicely coated. Once all the pieces are nicely coated, spread it evenly, cover with the lid, and we're going to let it sit for half an hour. It's always good idea as for marination, you do it the longer the better. You put it in fridge for 2 to 4 hours. But I'm going to do it only half an hour. It's about 30 minutes. Mix it one more time. I'm going to use these metal skewers to get paneer, and we're going to poke right in the middle, just like this. Then we're going to get all the vegetables like onions, mushroom, bell pepper, orange color, onion, paneer again, add onion, green bell pepper, add paneer, mushroom, whatever you like, red color, bell pepper. By marinating this way, it's going to give us very creamy. When we're going to eat it, it's going to be really nice flavor. So we're going to put one more paneer on the back, and this is the perfect. So once we did this one like this, then we're going to place it right on the rack, and it's going to look like this. So I'm going to keep continuing, putting the same way. So I'm almost done. I'll place this one in here, and we'll place this one inside the basket. This is the air fryer basket, and you can place it right in here. Put this one into the air fryer. So it'll go into the air fryer. I'll plug it in, and we'll start it. And we're going to select the mode. And this one varies with the temperature. These are preset. Pizza, then we have chicken, fish, steak, and this is the cupcake. It's a 325 degree Fahrenheit, and I will start it. So once we're going to press the start again, and it's a 20 minutes automatically. Once you press it, it starts. 325 degree Fahrenheit at 20 minutes. We really don't need to open it, but after 10 minutes I'm going to show you how our creamy paneer tikka looks. The creamy paneer kebab. So I'll see you after 10 minutes. It's exactly 10 minutes. I'm going to open it. Look at that, delicious. We don't need to do anything. I just wanted to show it to you. So I'm going to put it back again and press it again. And it will start automatically where it left off. 10 more minutes, and this is preset on cupcakes, so which is 325 degree Fahrenheit. We're almost done. We had the final beep. I'll open it. Wow, it's looking so good. Let me share with you. I have my serving plate ready, and I'm going to pull the skewers out. This is a perfect vegetarian appetizers. This is so easy and quick to make Paneer Kebab or Paneer Tikka in air fryer. This is oilless, oil-free cooking, and it's a super delicious and super yum. If I take it out, and you'll see it. First I'm going to get the bell pepper, then the paneer, and with sauce. So good. It's very tasty and very delicious. Please try it and you're going to like it. Like always, like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.